In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to replace the key fob battery on a Chevy key fob. If you've got a key fob that looks like this, these are the instructions for you. The first thing you're going to do is turn it to its side. You'll notice a little button right here. What you're going to do is push down on that. At the same time, you're pulling on this bottom silver part. You'll kind of see it pops open and the key pops out. What we need to do now is separate. You'll notice there's a little line right here, and we're going to separate these two halves. The easiest way I've found to do that is you insert the key just a little bit and you pry just a little bit, and you'll see with a little bit of pressure, you'll see those two halves start to open up. Once you've got it just open just a little bit, then you'll just pull on it. The two halves have now come open, and you'll see that the battery is located right here. Sometimes it'll be stuck in there a little bit. You can use different things to help pry it open, but I'll use just the edge of the key. And I've got my new battery here. This one uses a CR2032. If you need a link to where to purchase it, just look in the description. But it will also tell you right on here to make sure you're using the right one. This one says CR2032. And then you put it in just like it's oriented here. This one needs to go in upside down. You'll notice that it looks like the small end of the battery is facing up, and that's just what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to set it in there, and then you'll feel it kind of pop into place. Now, it's a little bit tricky to get this piece back together. You just want to join the two halves, get it kind of close. At the same time, this makes it a little bit tricky because it's got to kind of slide in this way at the same time that you're getting it to go together. And that's it. We'll put the key back in the other end here, and that's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.